Talk about hawk bird. Title: The Majestic Hawk, a jungle resident and potential tourism asset. Introduction. The hawk, a magnificent bird of prey, has long captivated human imagination with its grace, power, and hunting prowess. While these birds primarily reside in jungles, their occasional visits to villages and predation on young chickens have caused concerns among local communities. However, it is important to recognize the value of these birds and consider their conservation for tourism purposes, which can bring economic benefits to the area. This essay explores the significance of hawks, their role in the ecosystem, and the potential for tourism based on their existence. The hawk's habitat and behavior. Hawks are predominantly found in jungles, where they thrive due to the abundance of trees and prey. These birds have adapted to forested environments, utilizing their keen eyesight and sharp talons to catch small mammals, reptiles, and birds. Their stunning aerial acrobatics and hunting techniques make them an integral part of the jungle ecosystem. Hawks and village interaction. Hawks occasionally venture into nearby villages, where they may prey on young chickens. While this can lead to conflicts with local poultry farmers, it is crucial to understand that this behavior is a result of the natural instincts and survival needs of the hawks. Villagers should be educated about the ecological importance of hawks and provided with alternative methods to protect their chickens, such as building secure enclosures. Effective coexistence is possible with proper understanding and cooperation. Conservation for tourism. Rather than perceiving hawks as nuisances, their presence can be transformed into a valuable tourism asset. Conservation efforts focused on preserving the hawk population can attract nature enthusiasts, birdwatchers, and tourists interested in ecotourism. Establishing dedicated hawk watching sites, nature trails, and educational programs can create opportunities to appreciate these majestic birds while generating income for local communities. Economic benefits of hawk tourism. Hawk tourism has the potential to boost local economies through various means. Employment opportunities. Developing tourism infrastructure and services, such as guided tours, accommodations, and local handicrafts, can create jobs within the community. This would enhance the livelihoods of residents, reduce poverty, and improve the overall standard of living. Increased revenue. Tourists visiting the area for hawk watching would contribute to the local economy by spending money on accommodations, food, transportation, and souvenirs. The revenue generated can be reinvested in conservation efforts and community development projects. See environmental conservation. The presence of hawks can serve as an incentive for preserving the natural habitat and promoting sustainable practices. Protecting the jungle ecosystem and its inhabitants will not only benefit the hawks but also support the overall biodiversity of the region. Conclusion. In conclusion, hawks, despite their occasional interaction with villages, are vital components of jungle ecosystems. Rather than viewing them as threats, local communities should embrace their existence and consider their conservation for tourism purposes. By promoting hawk tourism, communities can benefit economically while simultaneously fostering environmental conservation. Education, cooperation, and sustainable practices are essential for ensuring the successful coexistence of hawks and humans. By doing so, we can enjoy the beauty of these majestic birds while fostering economic growth and preserving the natural treasures of our jungles. Thanks for taking the time to read this essay. I hope it has shed light on the importance of hawks and the potential benefits of their conservation for tourism. By valuing and protecting our natural heritage, we can create a harmonious balance between humans and wildlife. Wishing you good health and many enriching encounters with the wonders of nature.